What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap Ethereum to SUI in Phantom Wallet. So if you're looking for a way to swap your Ethereum to SUI, this one is very easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you allow the SUI network on your Phantom Wallet. So in this case, you want to go ahead and open up the Phantom Wallet account here, click on your account at the top left here, and click on the gear icon you see at the top right. Now from here, you want to choose the option here that says active networks. You want to look for SUI here. In this case, you want to make sure that it's turned on. So if you do see it colored, it means it's turned on. But just to give you some information, currently it's still in the beta phase here. So some features are not yet complete. So just keep that in mind. But once you've done that, let's go and go back here. Now in your home screen, you want to go and click on the swap icon that you see here. Let's go and click on it. And from here, you want to go and choose the appropriate option. So in this case, the UPay section, you want to go and choose which network and which token you want to convert. So in this case, you want to choose Ethereum. So if you want to use the Ethereum network, go and use that. But in this case, go and choose Ethereum here. So or already chosen Ethereum here, which is for the Polygon Solana network. And in here, you want to go and choose the receive section. So in this case, click on select. You want to choose the SUI network, and if you do see SUI here, you can go ahead and just select that. And once you've selected your token here, you should see the option here to indicate how much you want to basically send. So this is just to give you an example. Since I currently right now SUI token is not yet available on the network. Again, like what I said before, it's not fully implemented. It's still in beta phase here, so some features might not be available. But if it's available to you, could go ahead and select that. But in here, you could go and just indicate the amount. Click on swap now in order for you to proceed to swap. Now in this case, just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes in order for your transaction to complete, but you should be good. But just in case, if you can do this way, there is still another way you could choose or use here. So at the bottom right, you want to go and click on search. Now from here, you want to go to sites tokens URL and just type in portal. Now in here, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and choose portal bridge. And in here, we want to go and specify the details itself, like what we did before. Now, also, you need to specify the from section. Let's go and click on it. Now, choose which network. So I'm going to use the Ethereum network and choose ETH. Let's go and choose the to section. Let's go and choose that. Let's go and click on SUI here. If you don't see SUI here, click on other and just type in SUI to choose the network itself and choose SUI here. Now, once you've done that, just indicate the amount that you want to basically swap here. Click on connect. And in here, it's going to require you to connect your wallet. So just choose Phantom Wallet here. Sign the contract here in order for you to connect your wallet here or Phantom account. And just proceed with the swap here. Just click on swap now and you should be good. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.